Well, hello, I hope you'll join me on this flight of imagination from Waiouru to Hastings in New Zealand, North Island. We'll be flying the scenic routes over some active volcanoes, and I hope you enjoy the flight. Now we can finally experience what pilots describe as a dream aircraft, since Orbx has faithfully recreated this flagship model of the Lancair range, the Lancair 4P. The Lancair has a carbon fibre construction, blistering cruise speeds, and for the 4P a pressurised cabin allowing it to cruise at more than 300 knots at 25,000 feet. With a speed range from 90 knots to well above 200 knots, the sensitivity of the controls changes significantly. It's a true racing machine at the high end, resulting in roll and pitch rates that are double or treble what you normally experience on a GA aircraft. I hope you can see this in this film. Enjoy.
Radio, this is Delta 2-1 on the ground at November Zulu Romeo Uniform. I'd like to pick up my IFR to November Zulu Hotel Sierra.
Delta 2-1, roger. I'll call center. Maybe a few minutes. Please stand by. Delta 2-1, cleared from the November Zulu Romeo Uniform, Airport 2 November Zulu Hotel Sierra as filed. Climb to altitude 8,000 feet. Squawk 4342. Contact New Zealand Control 119.2. Leaving 4,100 feet. Clearance void if not off by 0300. If not off by 0300. Advise center of intentions not later than 0310.
Cleared to November Zulu Hotel Sierra as filed. Climb to altitude 8,000 feet. Walk 4342. Void 0300. Delta 2-1.
Delta 2-1, read back correct.
Local traffic Delta 2-1 taxiing to runway 31.
The Honeywell runway awareness and advisory system is also fitted in this aircraft.
Approaching 3, 1. On runway 3, 1.
Local traffic Delta 2-1 taking off runway 31 north departure.
So climbing quite nicely, aiming to maintain 400 feet per minute rate of climb. To accelerate to climb speed, reducing to 2,600 RPM when reaching 150 knots, and aiming to maintain speed and reduce manifold pressure to 32 inches.
New Zealand Control Delta 2-1 leaving 3,300 feet. for 8,000 feet.
Delta 2-1 New Zealand Control. Roger. Radar contact. Climb to altitude 10,000 feet.
Climb to altitude 10,000 feet. Delta 2-1.
Delta 2-1. You have the latest November Zulu Hotel Sierra weather, and which approach are you requesting?
Delta 2-1 negative.
November Zulu Hotel Sierra Charlie. Winds calm. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Clouds few. 5,500. Broken 5,000. Temperature 15. Dew point 5. QNH 1013. Landing and departing runway 01.
Delta 2-1 request visual.
Delta 2-1. Roger, you can expect that.
Wilco.
So he's given us a visual approach to runway 01.
Delta 2-1. Maintain 9,000 feet.
Maintain 9,000 feet. Delta 2-1.
Nice sound from that 6-cylinder twin turbocharged Continental engine.
Delta 2-1. Do you show yourself on the airway? I show you drifting off course. Fly heading 315 until receiving suitable for navigation. Proceed direct when able.
Fly heading 315 Delta 2-1.
Waypoint achieved.
Delta 2-1. Sir, you're off your filed route of flight again. Fly heading 325 until receiving suitable for navigation. Proceed direct when able.
Fly heading 325 Delta 2-1.
Delta 2-1. Contact New Zealand Control 119.2. We'll see you later.
Waypoint achieved.
New Zealand Control on 119.2. New Zealand Control Delta 2-1 is with you at 9,000 feet.
Delta 2-1 New Zealand Control, roger. Squawk 2127.
Squawking 2127, Delta 2-1.
When you're lost in the rain in Juarez, and it's Easter time too, and your gravity fails and negativity don't pull you through. Don't put out any airs when you're down on Rue Morgue Avenue. They got some hungry women there that really make a mess out of you. Now if you see St. Dan, please tell her thanks a lot. I cannot move, my fingers are all in a knot. I don't have the strength to get up and take another shot. And my best friend, my doctor, won't even tell me what I got. Sweet Melinda, the peasant's clock, the goddess of gloom. She speaks good English and she takes you to her room. And you're so kind and careful not to go to her too soon. And she takes your voice and leaves you howling at the moon. But soon hit the hard stuff. Everybody said they'd stand behind me when the game got rough. But the joke was on me, there was nobody to call my bluff. I'm going back to New York City, I think I had enough. If not for you, babe, I couldn't find the door. I couldn't even see the floor. I'd be sad and blue if not for you. If not for you, babe, I'd lie awake all night, waiting for the morning light to shine through. If not for
Delta 2-1, do you need any special assistance? This is the third time you've strayed well off course. Fly heading 280 degrees until receiving suitable for navigation. Proceed direct when able.
Fly heading 280 degrees, Delta 2-1. Roger, 3,500 feet until established. Cleared the full VOR approach. Delta 2-1.
Zealand Control, Whiskey, November, Zulu, 1,000 feet.
Whiskey, November, Zulu, New Zealand Control. Roger, resume on navigation.
Resume on navigation. Whiskey, November, Zulu.
New Zealand Control, New Zealand 235310,000 feet.
New Zealand 2353, New Zealand Control. Roger, resume on navigation.
Resume on navigation, New Zealand 2353.
Sierra Foxtrot Kilo, maintain 4,700 feet, QNH 1013. If able, report the field insight for a visual approach.
Maintain 4,700 feet. We'll look for a Sierra Foxtrot Kilo.
Mike, New Zealand Control. Roger, resume on navigation.
Resume on navigation. Zulu, Kilo, Tango, Bravo, Mike.
Feet. We'll look for it. Foxtrot, Hotel, Papa.
Delta 2-1 Tower, winds calm.
Roger, Delta 2-1.
So a high efficiency wing and inertia of high speed cruise needs to be included in the descent plan. 200 knots ground speed for a profile of 3 degrees, 1,000 feet per minute can be used. Calculate 3 nautical miles of distance to your final approach point, 6,000 feet of altitude. This aircraft's much more slippery than the 737. Very lightweight carbon fibre, and we will be using speed brakes. There's some chop and turbulence ahead. You can expect some buffeting.
Angle, push. Angle, push.
Nice wing flames.
Angle, push. 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 Clear to land, Delta 2-1. Angle, push. Angle, push. Angle. Angle, push.
Approaching 0, 1.
Angle, push. Angle, push. Angle, push. Angle,
Long landing.
Push.
Long landing. 1,000 feet remaining.
Delta 2-1, turn off at the next high speed and hold. Contact ground 129er decimal 9er. 1 runway is clear.
ground on 129er decimal 9er. Ground Delta 21 at Echo 5.
Delta 2-1, ground, taxi to the ramp.
Back to the ramp, roger. Delta 2-1.
Angle, push, push. Angle, push, push. Angle, push, push. Angle, push, push.
Couple things to work on. First, I cannot be repeating clearances. Listen for your call sign, focus on what's said. Try this. Write the clearance down as I'm talking. Don't worry about the clearance itself yet. Concentrate on what you write being accurate. You can accept or deny the clearance later. Work on your listening skills every time you fly. And man, what's with the deviating? You had me looking for thunderstorms, weren't there? Obviously, we base separation on pilots doing what they're supposed to do. That is, fly what you file. Let's keep it on the airways and fly the routes. See you next time.
On runway 19. Flaps, flaps. Up 0 1 right.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the flight. See you again soon.
If not for you, babe, I couldn't find the door. I couldn't even see the floor. I'd be sad and blue if not for you. If not for you, babe, I'd lie awake all night, waiting for the morning light to shine through. If not for you, if not for you, my sky would fall, we would gather too. Without your love, I'd be nowhere at all, and you know it's true. have a clue. If not for you, if not for you.